Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Bitcoin, rotation held, finally getting through the flat 200, coming up to the 6601 level, actually poking up to about 6615 and falling back down, retesting that 6601 level, coming back to rotation zone, rotating back up again now. We can update our levels, which gives us 66.61 as the next level. Let's see, and that's right near these prior little peak highs and just below these little dips over here, and then reinforcing the 6700, so 6700 to 6708. Key support. First level key support is about 65.45. Next major level of support coming in at 6500 to 6506. You don't want to close back below 6500 for the bullish case right now. Looking at the daily not giving us much more besides where it looks like we might get the first cross of rotation zone just below that 6500. So on the daily, you don't want to see a close below about 6480. That's the key level based off the daily chart. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum coming up. We had the 225.37 level hitting that 225. When you're that close to a round number, just round it to numbers. So 225.37, we were watching anywhere right around 225, making this little small double top. So we might see a potentially bigger pullback to the bottom of the rotation zone, which would come in about 214.33. You don't really want to see a close back below 211, though. You don't want to see a close below 214, but we're really going to be watching that 211 number. I'm just going to update these levels right now to see if we get another rotation back up. Look at that, 228.98, so we call it 229, and 232.97 to 233, so let's just call it 233. Those are the next key levels higher. That 233 is going to be especially important. That was major resistance here before the sell-off. Then we poked through that, but then fell back rapidly. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart sitting at that 50, trying to poke above that. Looking like we're getting some selling coming into that 50, and there's a lot of resistance in here. So on a daily chart, the key levels to watch for are a pullback possibly to 211.29. and not lower than 208.50. We do have the first cross, so we can get a bigger corrective pullback and still be in bullish mode on the daily. We just don't want to see a close below 208. We'll call it about 208.50. That's what we're looking for in Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.